gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video I'm super excited because we're going to be doing a Thanksgiving look. You know, Thanksgiving is around the corner, so let's get into this Thanksgiving look. And I know you guys are super excited for Thanksgiving, hanging out with family, eating a lot of food, turkey, yes. Oh, I'm going to be eating a lot, let me tell you. Let's stop talking about food because I am getting so hungry right now. Let's begin with this eye tutorial. I already did my eyes. I already primed my eyes and I did my face off camera just for the purpose of the video, just so we can focus a little bit on the eyes. We're going to be using this palette right here, the Jaclyn Hill Palette Volume 2. So I'm going to be placing this on my crease area. I'm going to be placing homebody right here. Perfect for me because I'm such a homebody. I love staying home. So I'm going to be using the fluffier brush right here. Super fluffy, the biggest brush, and I love this brush. And I'm just going to dig in on that homebody just so I can focus on the crease area. I'm going to just dab it just so I can get that color intense, and then we'll just fluff it out, and then we'll just blend it out. And if you want, you can just bring it out. I think I just want to feather it out this time around. I want that feathery look, so I'm just going to blend it out now. You guys have any plans for Thanksgiving? I'm probably gonna have Thanksgiving in my house because my husband loves to cook. He loves to do the food and stuff like that, like the turkey and things like that. So we're probably gonna have it in our house. Some family are gonna come to my house. I really want to play with that red color. I'm going to grab a pointier, fluffier brush like this, and I'm going to be grabbing this red color right here, and this is Living My Best. And then I'm going to place that in my crease area, and then I'm going to put it in. And then I'm going to blend that out with that homebody again, and just blend the top part out again. Just soften that edges. And just blend that red and that orange together, that homebody. Then I'm going to grab this color right here, and that's Crazy, and I'm just going to place that in my inner corner. And a clean brush like this, I'm just going to use that brush that doesn't have any product in and just blend everything out. Then I'm going to grab that homebody again and just bring that out. I'm grabbing this glitter right here, and then I'm just putting it all over my lid with my finger. Super easy, super cute. A little dramatic, guys, but I mean, it's cute. So it looks something like this. I'm just gonna blend out a little bit. I think I'm going to grab this black color right here, and I'm going to place it in my outer corner just to darken up that burgundy and make it more intense. So I'm just gonna grab a little fluffy brush right here. This is a Morphe M506. And I'm just gonna grab a little bit of that black color, just a little bit, and put it right here in the center. See that? And just blend it with the gold and the burgundy. And then I'll just blend it with the burgundy color without I'm not gonna add no more color. I'm just gonna use the rest of the color from the brush and just pack it again. I'm gonna wing my eyes. Alright, so wing is on. I'm gonna do my lashes and I'll be right back. We're going to do our bottom eyes and finish up this look. This look is looking stunning and I'm loving it. I hope you guys are enjoying this type of look. It's a little out of my comfort zone. It's a little boop, but I mean, why not? You know, let's play with makeup. I'm gonna use Pretty Roger, the black liner, and this is the ink black list, and I'm just gonna place that in my waterline just to darken that up a little bit. And then I'm gonna do the other eye. I'm gonna be using my Huda Beauty Life Liner Extreme Black, and I'm gonna use the pencil side, and I'm gonna put that on my waterline. Super black, and I'm just gonna place that here, just so we can darken that up. Now I'm going to place the color that I want, and I'm going to be putting underneath my waterline the Crazy Color in Homebody. What is it? Homebody. I'm gonna place this one in my waterline and this in my waterline, underneath my waterline. And I'm gonna smudge it out to smoke it out a little bit. I'm gonna use this fluffy brush right here. Crazy first, the burgundy color. And then we'll grab that Homebody. Just like that. We're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Put this down. I'm just cleaning that up a little bit with the setting powder. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit and clean it up a little later. So we're just going to begin with our lips. So I'm loving the eyes looking gorgeous. So I'm going to be using these two color right here. Since my eyes are dark, I want to have a dark lips also. And I'm going to be using my LA Girl lip liner, Deepest Purple. Right here, beautiful dark purple color. And I'm going to be using the Healthy Lip Vent Finish, and this is from Precision Formula, and it's this beautiful color right here. So let's begin with the lips. I just want to, since I'm gonna do a dark color, I just want my lips to be a little bit matte. All right, that's perfect. I'm gonna line my lip. I haven't used this pencil yet, so hopefully this lip pencil is dark purple. And man, my lips are chapped. I need to fix my lips because my lips are so chapped, guys, and it's like, I don't know if it's the weather or I'm licking it too much, but something needs to happen. So I'm just going to line my whole lip a little bit. This is such a beautiful color. All right, guys, here comes the fun part. Hopefully this is super dark. Oh, yes, this is what I'm looking for. Alright guys, so lips are done, so I'm going to finish up my face. I'm going to be using this kit right here, and this is Pure, and this is 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powder Face Palette. Look how cute is this. So I'm just going to be using the highlight color, and I'm going to be using this color right here. Actually, I'm going to use the whole kit and just finish up my face with this kit. So I'm going to use the bronzer. This doesn't have a name, but I actually got this in my BoxyCharm box this month. I was pretty impressed. But anyways, I'm going to grab the dark bronzer one, and I'm just going to bronze my face a little bit. Bronze everything up. I hate when I talk a lot, then my lipstick starts showing. Let me know, comment down below if that happens to you guys. I don't know. I guess because I have a lot of saliva or something, but I hate when that happens. Ugh. And then every time I try to take pictures, I have to redo it again because like then you'll see that peakness. I don't like that. But beside the point, let's do the blush. So I'm gonna grab this brush right here, and I'm gonna grab this peachy color blush, and I'm just gonna place that all over my cheeks. Just give me that peachy look. Then I'm going to grab the highlighter part, and I'm going to highlight my face. I'm going to use this little highlighter brush, and then just, ooh, I got a little hair there. Wipe that down. Wipe it down. All right, and then just put it. Oh my goodness, do you guys see that glow? That is beautiful. Now that's nice. I'm liking that. And I'm going to do the other side. Just like that. Make sure I do my nose a little bit. And my lips. Forehead. Do the brow bone. Now to finish up the look, I'm just going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hill setting spray, and I'm going to spray this over my face. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this Thanksgiving eye look, and I hope you guys can recreate it. I think this eye look came out beautiful, very fallish type of look. If you did like this look, please comment, like, and subscribe. And until my next video, bye bye.